Hello and a warm welcome back to another video by Seen Through Cars. Today we got a different car. I'm sorry guys, it took so long to get a new car, but unfortunately I don't know many people with such cool cars, but sometimes you get to know new people and new cars. So well, today we are sitting in a Mercedes-Benz S124. This car is called an 200 TE, which means under the hood there is a 4-cylinder petrol engine, naturally aspirated, and puts out 118 horses. D at the end stands for petrol, and T means that this car is an estate car. Like, it's the body shape of the car, you know. Well, and the car or the wheels get powered through a 4-speed manual gearbox, as you can see here, one reverse. Yeah, this particular car was built in 1994, which means it's already a facelifted model. It has 236,000 kilometers now. It's like nothing for this car. I mean, it's already about 28 years old, and that's an average of under 1,000 kilometers per year. That's really good. Normally those cars won't break. Like, oh, okay, the engine will run forever, no matter if it's a diesel engine or a petrol engine, like in this car. Those cars naturally aspirated. There aren't many things that can break, yeah. But what's kind of annoying in such cars, I've already found some stuff that doesn't work. Like the sunroof doesn't work anymore. It's a common problem. This flappy thing here, which normally there is nothing anymore, especially here should normally be a small stick to adjust the mirror. It is gone, yeah. And maybe you remember we already tested W124, and it was the same. But the good thing is, the other side is electronically adjustable, and it works like in the other car as well. I don't know why those things don't break. Yeah, but as I already said, sunroof. And what is the most or what is the biggest problem in such cars? It's the rust. The rust. It's the only problem those cars have. Like, some idiots drive it in winter, like I do now. Yeah, there is salt on the street. Yeah, of course other things cause rust as well, but that's the main issue about those cars. But hey, I mean, I've already heard that some Teslas are like 3 years old now and already rust. Like, okay, this 28-year-old car still performs better than a new Tesla. But I only heard about it, I haven't seen it yet. Alright. The steering is, yeah, as you expected, but a little bit more directly than I've expected. It is really okay. The steering wheel is straight when I drive straight. I like that. But I do not expect it. Those instruments work as well. Like, we got the temperature and we got the oil pressure. Like, yeah, oil pressure is 100% now. Perfect. It's perfect. Over here, it brings me on to something else that doesn't work in this car, like the the windscreen wiper at the back, at the rear, doesn't work as well. Come on, guys, why don't they work anymore? But some other controls, it's not a lot. Temperature, like adjustable in a Rolls-Royce or similar. Radio is aftermarket radio, of course. And under here we got electronically windows, yeah, at the front. At the rear you still have to do this, but of course your passengers need to have a workout as well during a ride in this car. And what's really important in this car, and what I really like most, and the other W124 did not have, it's this one. It is, in the aftermarket it is about 150 or 170 euros. Oh my god, it's totally worth it, because it's so annoying if there is no armrest in the middle. Oh, come on. Who does that? Who drives along without an armrest? Yeah, I don't understand. Alright, and the gear stick is like just perfectly reachable from here. I like that a lot. You know, those guys in Germany back in the days and still today, they know how to build cars, and they always add some features nobody else in the world thinks about, like this one. Who does not know the moment when the sun is shining through those angels? Everybody knows this moment. And there was a German engineer who drove along in his car back in the 90s, or not even earlier, in the 80s, 70s, and thought like, yeah, one of them is not enough. We need a third one over there, because the sun might shine through there as well. Of course, it's just he's a genius. Yeah, complete genius. Yeah, guys, as you can see, the mountains are white now. Climate has changed a bit in comparison to my last video, or especially in comparison to the last car video, like the Tesla Model Y. In between, I've uploaded video about holiday. Yeah, you know, wanted to explain why there was no video for such a long time. Hope you understand that, guys. I will always keep on going. Therefore, subscribe my channel, like this video, and hit the bell on to get notified when I make a new upload. Maybe you'll leave a comment what you think about this video. But back to the starting of this topic. We got some new yeah, it is winter in Austria. Winter has finally arrived. Starting the winter it was more like rain, but now we had a lot of snow and rain again, so it's not that much anymore. But still, I think it looks beautiful, the landscape. What do you think about that? Please leave your opinion in the comments. Yeah, I'm more summer guy. I prefer the sun and the warm weather because I don't like to wear like a t-shirt, 3 pullovers and a jacket and one more jacket and you know, I just want to go out naked. Well, of course I don't do that, but that's what I would prefer. Of course, winter is there, and yeah, when there is snow I like it a lot. Like, you can go skiing and you can go drifting. Yes, my friends, you can go drifting as well with this car. It is rear-wheel drive. It's perfect for going drifting. Unfortunately, there is no snowy road now, or not near, and no parking space. Therefore, I won't show you, but maybe we get another rear-wheel car in the next months, and it snows again. I can take some drift shots, but don't laugh at me if I'm not a drifting pro. I think I can do it pretty well, but yeah, you know, sometimes you're too motivated and the car as well. Acceleration in this car is it's quite good, but of course not perfect. I mean, about 120 horses aren't stunning like 700. It is a ride. You can overtake other people, of course. That's all. So, guys, as I already said, please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell on to get notified when I make a new upload. Like this video, like it, share it, leave a comment. We are heading back to the starting point now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You've learned something new about these cars. I mean, in terms of buying, if you want to buy such a car, just go for it. I think they look great. The driving comfort is perfect, and you know, guys, those cars won't break for such a long time if you keep an eye on the rust and the other electronic or the odd electronic shit that breaks. Yeah. Thank you guys for supporting me. Have a nice day. Goodbye till the next video.